Okay, so this is one of the snacks that I eat. It's kind of just a Greek yogurt mix. Let's see, about 350 calories, 28 grams of fat, 12 grams of protein, and 10 grams of net carbs. Take about half a cup of the Greek yogurt. I put in a little bit of stevia just for a sweet taste. And then I use some fruit, typically raspberries, blueberries. Little pro tip, if you ever need to take the top out of the raspberries, just take a fork or a spoon at the end, and you can just pop that top right out. And just to clarify, this is the 10% whole milk yogurt, so it's very high fat content. And the next thing we add is some pecans. Pecans are more reasonably priced if you buy a big bag of them, which is gonna last you a long time. If you buy the little bags, they're kind of a ripoff. And if you'd like, you can also throw in a little bit of pure vanilla extract. So it's nice if you have that sweet tooth. A lot of keto foods aren't very sweet, so it's good to have that snack for when you have that craving.